Hello everyone, how are you? Did you miss me? Because I missed you. So this is my breakfast, or should I say brunch. I'm having a bread, butter, the olive butter, and tuna, and I'm having orange juice. So having a healthy diet, but the table's too far away from me. So there we go, and I'll push you back. There we are. That's me ready. So I have showered today, as you can see. I'm wearing something different. Oh my god, I seriously don't feel that well. But and I have my paracetamol there. I told you, I don't feel that well. So I'm going to put the heater on maybe for half day. I feel like too much because of that sore teeth I have. But it's recovering. It's just the top bit of the gum. You know, middle of the teeth, the gum bit. That's recovering, so. Oh, so tired, guys. I'm just so tired. Well, right, last night before I, end my vlog, right, I didn't realize, but my feet was bleeding. Like, it burst bleeding, basically. Like, I felt it and everything. I thought I just hurt my feet, maybe. That, you know how usually you hurt yourself and you're not bleeding kind of thing? But I could feel something releasing from my feet because every time I hurt myself, I feel that release feeling, but I never get anything. So I touch it and I felt it, right? I felt so, like, weird kind of thing. And I could feel that scared, like, you know, kind of feeling. So, yeah. I kept on touching it and then I look at my bed and it was red. And I was like, oh my god, I'm bleeding. I came downstairs looking for plaster, and guess what? No plaster. I had to sleep with a wipe on, basically. A wipe, yes, a wipe. So I had to wrap it with a wipe and go to sleep. Because the wetter the product is, the less I'll bleed, kind of thing. And that's how plaster is. They have their own bacteria cleaning thing, and the wetter it is, it keeps it more protected. So yeah. It is very, very like, oh my god. You know, today I showered, I was like, oh my god, it's hurting kind of thing. And it's like really, really, really sore today. So I'm watching Transformer right now. Yeah, I know. It's like a repeat of watching movies, but I like watching something action and very scary. I don't know what it is, but it keeps me calm. Like, I feel like, you know, I like it so much. I don't know what connection I have towards these movies, but yeah. You know, on TikTok, right, some people are in Disneyland and they're showing what the rides are. Oh god, I wanna go, People, help me, I wanna go. Oh. But also my passport is not done yet, so how am I gonna go? So I need to save money to go to Disneyland. And I also need to save money to travel to one place to another. You know what I mean? And I need to get my passport done. Hopefully by my birthday. If not, I'll try to get it done end of March at least. Hopefully by that time, all our problems are gone by then. So yeah, oof. I've never seen this bit where it suddenly goes everywhere, because I think that's a cutscene. Like, you know, they don't show all the violence and stuff, but seeing that is like, oh my god, that's so cool and scary at the same time. Like, oh my gosh, like the Decepticons are very, very powerful. Oh my god, look at that! Oh my god, oh wow. It's scary, guys. It's literally scary. Good evening, guys. It is nearly 1:30 a.m. So yeah, I changed my bed. While I was changing, I got the hiccups, which was the weirdest thing because I was changing my bed. And I'm like, why am I having hiccups while changing my bed? It needs to get changed, so why would I have hiccups for that? I told my mom I was still having hiccups a very long way. And trust me, I was burping while hiccuping as well, which is weird. Anyway, and then eventually our gas got finished, so I had to go outside. That was around 11 a.m. p.m. Sorry. So I had to go and get the emergency gas. I was talking to her. We were looking around. You know, it's very dark. As you know, I'm afraid of the dark. Anyway, yeah. Long story short, after that, my hiccup literally went away. I was like, that's interesting. Why didn't my hiccup go that time? Well, but at least it's gone, which is a good thing. Because having hiccup is so much painful. Well, not painful, but it does get irritating because even if you're not trying to concentrate on it, you're still hiccuping. But yeah, I had a hiccup, okay? I was changing my bed, which is weird for a person who changed their bed and they get hiccups. Oh, how does that work, actually, tell you the truth? How can you get hiccup when you're changing a bed? I don't understand the concept of hiccups. Anyway, I need to sleep because I'm really tired. I need to wake up early tomorrow. So I'm gonna go to sleep now. So Alpha, take care, and I'll see you in the evening, guys. No, evening, morning, is it not? Yeah. I'll see you before I get to work anyway. So good night, guys. And please like and subscribe. Please subscribe.